gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you...
This is the advanced unboxing of the Honor Magic 8, a phone that's set to launch later this month. An unreleased model that's already generating a lot of buzz. And today, we're unboxing it to uncover all the exciting details. Let's get started. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Take out your phone, peel off that protective film, and there it is. A stunning azure glazed back panel that immediately stands out. The design is inspired by Rue porcelain, one of the 5 famous porcelains from the Song dynasty, and it truly shows. The texture feels silky smooth like jade, with delicate ice crack patterns that give it a premium, artistic finish. Inside the box, you'll find the usual user manuals and a transparent cyan protective case. Once you power it on, you're greeted by a flat, compact display with super slim and symmetrical bezels. The screen looks clean, modern, and feels great to hold. Compact, comfortable, and refined. Now, one of the major highlights of the Magic 8 is definitely its camera system. The design remains recognizable and elegant, but now it features the Honor A image private seal right on the camera module, a nice touch that adds a sense of exclusivity. What's even better is that even the standard version comes with a periscope telephoto lens, which is a big deal for photography enthusiasts. There have also been reports that Honor has registered the Honor Knox trademark, hinting at some serious upgrades in imaging technology. Paired with the latest Snapdragon 8 flagship platform, the AI imaging power gets a huge boost this time, so the photography performance is something to look forward to. On the side, you'll notice customizable buttons, which can be used for AI-related functions and even as a camera shutter control. Honor has been exploring AI-assisted mobile features like automated driving capabilities, so it'll be interesting to see how these buttons evolve in future updates. Under the hood, the Magic 8 runs on the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, Qualcomm's latest and most powerful platform yet. It brings a massive leap in overall performance, graphics processing, and on-device AI computing power, designed to meet the demands of today's smartphones and intelligent AI experiences. And yes, the Honor Magic 8 is officially powered by this brand new flagship chip, setting the stage for some serious performance and innovation. That's everything we know so far about the Honor Magic 8. Once the phone officially launches later this month, I'll be dropping a detailed review covering its performance, camera, and all the new AI features in action. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, join our tech community, and stay tuned for the full review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.